Hello everyone in YouTube, Variety Stick, and we back again for the first unboxing video. This is the first metroPCS in 2018 and I'm so excited to unbox and have first look on the LG Aristo 2. So without any further ado, let's find out. First, let's go ahead and cover some of the specs of this device. The box, it will be very similar to what we have seen before in metroPCS. A box is a very normal box, but if we just look to the back of the phone, we will see some main specs of this device. Now, we have the LG Aristo, and this is not going to be a huge difference from the LG Aristo 1. We're going to just go over these specs very quick. And we have a 4G LTE device, and this comes with Android Nougat, no Oreo for this device. And we have 5-inch IPS display. We don't have full HD, and we have 13 megapixel camera. As everybody knows, we need to test this camera to see how the quality is. The LG Aristo was also 13 megapixel, but wasn't good in the camera. We have 5 for the front with the gesture selfie picture, and we have 16 gigabyte internal storage, same as the LG Aristo 1. 2 gigabyte of RAM. This is a little enhancement from 1.5 to 2 gigabyte of RAM, which is good in my opinion, and 1.4 quad-core processor. This will be Qualcomm Snapdragon 425. LG phone include the box, battery 20, I believe it's going to be 2410, so same size of the LG Aristo as well. Charger, no fast charge, no USB-C, no all that good stuff. And yes, before we forget, this phone comes with a new feature. It will be the face recognition, so you will be able to actually unlock the phone by your face. And also, this is something we're gonna focus on this video. So let's just go ahead and just open the phone and have the first look on the phone itself. See how that phone is gonna look like. I'm gonna just go ahead and take the device itself. The design, as you guys can see, very nice and sleek. Is not that thick device, so that's something I do really like. I like this black panel over here, and this will focus on the main feature of the device, the gestures, the face recognition, and the storage on this device, and the camera in the phone. Here is going to be the internal speaker, and we have the sensors and the front camera, which is 5 megapixels, some information about features on the device. And if we look to the back of the phone, you will see that it looks like glassy back of the phone, but this is not actual glass. This is a plastic, and the fingerprint very magnetic, but looks so elegant, guys. Don't take me wrong, but I just don't like these fingerprint to be printed on the back of the phone. So you can get a case if you don't want to these things be shown in your phone. Here is the power pin, and this has no fingerprint sensor, by the way. We have a flash, and we have the 13 megapixel camera. Here is the speaker, and the back of the phone is removable. You can just pop this one just like that, and here is the place where you can put the SIM card and the SD card. And I believe this phone could take up to 128 gigabytes at least, and I believe LG phones, it gets up to 2 terabytes, but just to be in the safe side, 128 gigabytes, it will work with no any problems for you. Now let's go ahead and just put the battery and boot up the device and have the first look in the operating system. Also, I'm very interested to see how the face recognition work in this phone. Now we back after we set up the phone actually, and I play with this phone for a little bit, and I kind of like that display first. I mean, the color, the contrast is very good in this device. Also the screen, whatever angle you look at it, it looks so stunning over here. So this is good for like just high definition budget device. The screen looks so good in this device. Now just go ahead and move on basically on the feature of the face recognition just by unlocking the phone. And then you see, the guys, the phone unlocks so fast. I mean, I'm very amazed with how fast to unlock this phone. So just go ahead and look to the phone, and the phone unlocks. And that feature will be, you're going to be able to see when you go to the lock screen, and then you will see something called face recognition. There we go. And then you first you have to do your face, and then we'll ask you to add pattern or password or anything like that, and then you will get into it here, and then you put your face and you have to do some movements, and then the phone will recognize your face and then unlock. One of the things that I haven't seen that you can add more people to it is going to be only one person, and this is a little disappointing over here, but it looks that works good for me. Let's go ahead and do that again. Unlock the phone. Wow, it is so good, guys. Like, let me just unlock the phone without even look to the phone. Just want to show you I have pattern, and let me look to the phone, and it unlock so fast. Also, one of the things that I like in this device, they changed the way that this icon looks. Now it looks like very much close to the Samsung phone's icons. I kind of like it. No app drawer, but you have the option to add it from the settings. And if we just go to the settings, you will see tabs, same as any other LG phones that we have seen before. So very much the features, they're very identical to any one of the LG phones that we have seen before. I kind of like this color icon over here. They make you distinguish it so quickly. And then we will do more coverage and more detailed review. So don't forget to subscribe to Variety Stick in order not to miss that. I just want to focus on the main things in this device, and the main feature in this device, I believe, in my opinion, the face recognition. Other than that, I mean, the specs just very normal. We have seen this in the other devices before. Nothing really special to talk about. The internal storage is only 16 gigabyte, and we have 513 megapixel camera. Power button, the way that this phone looks, maybe also identical to the other LG phones. No bezel-less over here, so the phone is still huge, but that is actually a budget device, not an expensive device. We're not going to expect a lot, but I kind of like that face recognition. Works so fast and good and accurate, in my opinion. We will find out more because I want to spend more time in this video or this phone, and then I want to post a video to talk more in details about this phone. So don't miss this. Subscribe to Variety Stick in order not to miss it. And that was very much it for that video. For those people that are gonna ask me about price, because I'm doing this video before we launch the phone. Right now I don't have a price to tell you, but later on I will maybe post the price on the description box once I know the actual price of the phone. I just don't want to give you a wrong price or something right now, but I'm expecting this phone is not going to be more than $69.79 at the most, but we will confirm that for you in next time in the next video. Don't worry, I will be talking about the camera and all that good stuff about this phone in my full review, but this was my first look on the LG Aristo 2. Thank you so much everyone for watching. As always, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, hit the bell to be notified for any future video, and we will talk to you in the next one.